Unlock your potential today at skillbakery.com.
Welcome to the final video in our series on the Model Context Protocol. You have successfully journeyed from having zero knowledge of MCP to building a fully functional server and client. Let's review our progress. We started with the core architecture, built an MCP server, added tools and resources, optimized through debugging and networking, and finally, integrated everything into a complete client. Remember these three core primitives: tools for actions the AI can take, resources for data the AI can fetch, and transports for how messages travel. Everything else is built on these ideas. When defining your protocol, remember the distinction. Tools represent executable actions, like creating a note, while resources represent state, such as reading a list of notes. For transport, use stdio for local environments like CLI or desktop applications. Use streamable HTTP for remote, cloud-based, or authentication-required applications. This is the complete architecture. The host initiates requests, the client handles communication via specific transports, and the MCP server provides the tools and resources. Moving forward, you can extend your server for new projects, build a custom React front-end to act as a host, or integrate your work into tools like Quad Desktop or Cursor. The most effective way to master the Model Context Protocol is to build something you actually need. Go build something interesting. Here's a quick start summary of the concepts we covered, including our mental model, architectural pillars, and the roadmap to mastery. Thank you for following along.
If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.